Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy for the week of 9/8. So we finished both the introduction and chapter 1. In the introduction, we took a little quiz over that, and for chapter 1, we answered those 16 questions. You turned those in online, and we also discussed them in class. So the second chapter, which we'll be doing this week, is called The Meaning of Life. And before we get into the meat of that chapter, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to ancient Greek philosophy. And we're going to see how philosophy emerged, in ancient Greece out of poetry, out of mythology. We'll look at the first philosopher, Thales, who is called a pre-Socratic. So all the philosophers before Socrates and Plato are called pre-Socratics, and sort of how he came about. And then we'll look at another pre-Socratic philosopher and read some of an original work of philosophy. So this will be our second really original work of philosophy that we're looking at this year, which will be Heraclitus's Fragments. The themes we'll be looking at is being versus becoming, rationalism, and empiricism, and how that's all wrapped up in the beginning of philosophy in ancient Greece. So you will read Heraclitus's Fragments, and there will be an assignment on campus about Heraclitus to sort of wrap those, to wrap that up. So I look forward to seeing you all in class or online, and have a great week.